Hello everyone. Today we are going to make 3D outliner that will work on fabric as well. Before starting, do subscribe our channel Desi Pan with Creative Corner and hit the bell icon to get further notifications. For this we need fabric glue. Okay? So only with fabric glue we can make this. They take quantity as you required. Okay? And this homemade outliner you can use on the fabric, on any other surface. This will work on the fabric also. Fabric glue in a bowl, like this, it's more visible. Okay, now what we do, we will pour some golden pearl metallic color. Okay, my bottle is not opening, so I am using another one. So pour some golden metallic color. Take quantity of color as per you required. Like if you want darker shade, then add more color. If you want lighter shade, then pour less color. You can easily see the quantity. Fabric glue, like mine is ratio is like 1:4. 1 part of golden color and 4 part of fabric glue. Okay, now I am mixing it. Mix it well. Properly mix it proper, so that both are come into one color. Okay, here see, I need more color, so I am again pouring more color in it. It's golden metallic color, ma'am. Okay, golden pearl metallic color. In fabricate, it's sparkling pearl gold 912 number. Sparkling pearl gold 912 number. Okay. See, I think it's visible now. No. Sparkling pearl gold number 912 of Fabricil brand. Okay. So pour some acrylic fabric glue and golden metallic color, and now make a homemade cone. Homemade cone like mehendi. And seal it with tape. Seal it properly with tape. Yes, ma'am, you can make it with golden dust also. Okay.
If you want, you can make it with golden dust also. This one, you can use Fabricil golden dust also. Mix golden dust in fabric glue and it will become outliner. Okay, now pour this into the cone. Now press it and seal it like this properly. Like we seal the mehendi cone, we have to seal it like this also. And you can use this cone at least 4-5 months. It will not dry, but seal it properly. Okay, see how fine it works. I can, if you can see, maybe see, this is already sparkling. You can make any color of cone outliner. See how fine it works. Is it visible or not? I think it's will visible on dark surface. Okay, I am doing it on my phone cover. See how fine is it, like this. Okay, and if you, this my cone is very fine. Tip, if you want, you can cut the tip to make it broader. Okay, it's very fine. I want fine because fine tip is very useful. If you want to make a bold line, then give more pressure. If you want fine line, give like a very less pressure. So I always make fine tip. Okay, and one more tip, how you can use this cone long lasting. So always after every use, you have to seal the tip of your cone like this. Cut one cello tape and seal the tip of this cone like this properly. You have to seal it like this, and now this is safe. You can use this cone whenever you want. At least 3-4 months it will not dry. And please do not put into the fridge. Keep it as in normal room temperature in any of your box where you are putting your art accessories. You can keep it like this only. Let me write the name on this, otherwise it will mix. Good. See how I'm writing the name on it. This is golden outliner because all my cones are of same. This is black, no, this is brown. I have it yesterday, which I have used. In every class I am making black, white, so many green. Okay, so likewise you can make any color 3D outliner. Okay, and you can use dust, or if you don't have dust, you can use acrylic pearl metallic color, pearl sparkling gold color, or you can use dust to make this outliner. But please only make with fabric glue. Do not use Fevicol, otherwise it will not work. I can show you the example of also that if you are going to make it with Fevicol, then what will happen. Wait, where is my black? Okay, see, this color I have tried with Fevicol, this 3D outliner. And with if you are making with Fevicol, first of all it will not work properly, and secondly you can't use it on fabric. So see what happened. This is the black outliner which I have made with Fevicol. Okay, so with Fevicol, if you made outliner with Fevicol, become like this. This one with fabric glue. Fabric glue and Fevicol. The difference between both, this is of fabric glue, this one, and this one is of Fevicol. Fabric glue outliner will remain as it is, but if you make it with Fevicol, it will start, after some time it will start spreading. Okay, so if you want like make fine lines on anywhere, like it will spread totally, and with fabric glue it will stay like as it is. Okay, so this is the difference of making fabric glue and Fevicol outliner. Okay, so let me I hope all of you understand the difference and how to make how to make outliners with fabric glue. Okay, so